When people come to me wanting help with short-term rentals, I always hear that same fear. What if I choose the wrong market and lose money? That's just a rite of passage. We all go through that. But before I walk you through why that fear is holding you back, let me tell you what changed everything for me and all the investors that I coach. So when I started in STRs, I wasted months comparing markets. Honestly, it was like years. I was buried in the AirDNA charts and second guessing everything. All it did was stall my momentum and it fed my doubt. But I finally broke through by ditching the traditional data tools and building my simple framework on logic. That's right, logic. And for some reason, people still don't use this very simple logic to make very brilliant decisions. And again, you can do it without all the hype. And once I made my first offer using that system, everything changed. Today, our students use that same process to pick STR markets without AirDNA. And now they're closing their first and sometimes second deals within 90 days of working with us. But they're only getting there after breaking through 3 beliefs that keep most of these beginners stuck. The truth? Data isn't the problem, it's decision overload. Tools like AirDNA were never designed to tell you where you should buy. They're only designed to tell you about the data that is populating. And sometimes that data still isn't even accurate. So now we use a simple market filter that helps you spot demand indicators like drive-to traffic, seasonality, and real-world use cases. No subscription needed. And a lot of people still have that. I'm afraid of regretting my first deal and it's going to wreck me. And if I don't get it right, I'll never be able to move forward. And you'd be right. That's a fair fear. But sometimes that fear of messing up is 80% of the reason why you haven't been successful. And you don't have to go it alone. And in fact, you can get total group buy-in on your next deal to help validate and add confidence to why you should be going for it. Our members are underwriting and analyzing real deals every single week. We do it in small group sessions and hands-on coaching. And we do that before you make any offers. That way you understand the highs and lows of what the deal will actually bring you. And better than anything, you got people that have had success telling you why they want to buy it if you don't want to buy it. And sometimes that adds a whole other layer of confidence. And that alone can give you that confidence push to get over your edge of why you're holding yourself back. No more guessing, no more pressure, no more regrets. If you've been watching these videos and reading the threads for months, but haven't taken action, you don't need more info. You need a step-by-step path. That's why I built the free STR starter kit. That kit includes the market filter, the calculator, and the mini course. It's the same systems our members are using to go from I don't know where to get started, I don't know what to do, to submitting offers with confidence and finally having that gleam in their eye of excitement again. Click below to grab the free resources. And if you want custom help applying your specific situation, book a free 15-minute call and you and me will walk through it together.